Hello, everybody. Doug Rucker here with pressurecleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Just wanted to take a quick moment here to talk to you about the F9 Cookbook. This is produced by Craig Harrison over at Front9 Restoration Products. You can find out more about their products at front9restoration.com. We are a distributor here in the Houston, Texas area, and we also ship anywhere somebody orders it through DougRuckerStore.com. But just wanted to talk real quick about this cookbook. This is something that's come along within probably about the last year, year and a half, maybe 2 years. And it's just an absolute, it's really like one of the cleaning Bibles that are out there. When you're dealing with inorganic stains such as calcium, efflorescence, rust stains, fertilizer rust, battery acid rust, anything of those nature, those require specialty cleaning products, and we use in our exterior cleaning business, we only use the Front9 F9 restoration products for those type of stains. But this is a cookbook that will help you learn how to tackle those challenging jobs. When you open it, it's just every page is laminated so it can go in your truck. You don't have to worry about it getting water on it and pages getting ruined. And you've got an actual flow chart in here that helps you not only identify these types of stains, but the cleaning process and procedures to use for those types of stains. There's just tons and tons of pages. Here's the opening page here with a picture of Craig, who developed not only the products but the whole system, and is really the guru of restoration type products in our industry, as well as restoration cleaning. Spent many years developing these products and cleaning these types of stains and doing these. These are called restoration type jobs. This is not just a general house wash cleaning or roof cleaning, things of that nature. These are restoration jobs that require specialty cleaning products, and that requires a higher price when you're charging. So one of the things that I always recommend is when you're writing up your quote is use the word restoration instead of cleaning. Very important. So anyway, you in your table of contents, of course, you've got the welcome from Craig right there. You've also got an explanation of the F9 products. You've got a surface identification flow chart that's going to help you and educate you on the different types of stains that are out there and different surfaces. And then you've got a little thing about how to use this cookbook. And then you've got all the flow charts as far as the different stains that you're going to use, like efflorescence process on concrete. You've got bark process on concrete. You've got efflow process on bricks and pavers, how to remove calcium carbonate, mineral stains. Just chock full of information. Tile and stone, using groundskeeper, great product for keeping sidewalks and concrete maintained. So I strongly recommend this book. It's the F9 Cookbook. We have them, they sell for about $199. One job will pay for this book. Keep it in your truck. Study it when you have spare time. It's just an awesome book, and I cannot recommend it highly enough. Not only do you get the cookbook, but when you're buying the products, the Front9 restoration products, you also get Craig Harrison. He is always available via text message, via email, to help you and walk you through any jobs that you need. I remember when I think I was probably one of the first guys to ever buy his products several years ago. And man, I just constantly was on the phone with him via text messages, sending pictures, getting advice. And I don't do it as often today, but he's still always there anytime I need him. So DougRuckerStore.com is where you can get this cookbook. Strongly recommend it, especially if you want to elevate your business to that next level, that next exterior cleaner level versus just being a pressure washer. This will definitely put you there. So if I can help you in any way, always just let us know via email, call us, whatever you need to do. And then also Craig Harrison is also available as well. You can find him on many Facebook groups, and actually there's a Front 9 Restoration Facebook group that you can join as well if you need some help. So F9 Cookbook, $199, available to DougRuckerStore.com. Give us a call and make sure you get one of these. Hope you guys have a great day. Like I said, if I can help in any way, just let me know. Take care.